Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here, and welcome to my weekly affirmation series designed to help you start every week with power, clarity, and confidence. Each week, I'll be sharing a short, guided affirmation you can listen to, speak out loud, and use to reset your mind for success. Whether you're stepping into school, heading to work, showing up as a leader, or standing on stage. You see, confidence isn't built in one moment. It's built through daily decisions and weekly reminders. And these affirmations are here to remind you that you already have what it takes. They're here to help you silence doubt, strengthen your focus, and shift your energy towards growth, purpose, and belief. Every week, you'll get a new affirmation theme connected to our monthly journey, starting this month with self-belief. Then moving on to clarity, courage, presence, and so much more throughout the year. My goal is simple: to help you begin each week feeling grounded, motivated, and unstoppable, with affirmations that keep your mindset strong and your heart full. So save this playlist, share it with someone who needs a boost, and join me right here every week for your dose of positive energy and confident intention. Let's grow together, one belief at a time. I'm Coach Steph, and this is your year to believe bigger, speak bolder, and show up stronger than ever. Thank you for listening.